Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best GPS navigation on Amazon. The best GPS navigation systems for cars allow drivers to see the route ahead and receive accurate directions, even in remote locations with limited cell phone reception. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Garmin Drive 52. Another excellent model from Garmin, this GPS navigator features a bright 5-inch display and a simple design. This has detailed maps of both the United States and Canada, so you can have peace of mind even when traveling outside the country. Unlike other GPS navigators, there is no need for a smartphone with this one. It is ready to go right out of the box and comes with a quick startup manual. It comes with driver alerts and traffic data so that you can avoid construction, roadblocks, or traffic accidents. Looking to add some interest to your drive? This car GPS comes with the History Channel data to include historic sites, national parks, TripAdvisor travel ratings, and a multitude of Foursquare points of interest. This allows you to take detours and get those fun photos for social media. This car GPS also comes with a vehicle suction cup mount, a power cable for your car, and a USB cable. Number 2. Zgody GPS Navigation System for Car. The Zgody GPS Navigation System for Car is another high-quality product available at a budget-friendly price. This GPS has been pre-installed with the latest North American maps, including the United States, Canada, and Mexico. Additional maps can be downloaded by contacting the company. This 7-inch high-resolution touchscreen has a high resolution of 800 x 480 pixels, including 8 GB of memory storage and 256 MB RAM. The GPS also comes with a car charger, USB cable, bracket, and suction cup mount. It has a voice steering system, available in several different languages. The GPS has a user-friendly touchscreen, and it has lightweight 1.43 pounds. When fully charged, the lithium-ion battery has a lifespan of about 3 hours. The one downside of the Zgody GPS navigation system for car is its battery. The device does not come fully charged, so make sure to plug it in upon receiving the GPS. Number 3. Rand McNally 7-inch GPS Truck Navigator. The Rand McNally TND 750 impresses with its sleek design and user-friendly interface. The 7-inch display offers crystal-clear visuals, making it easy to read and navigate even in challenging lighting conditions. The touchscreen is responsive and intuitive, ensuring a seamless user experience. With its durable construction and compact size, the TND 750 is a perfect fit for any truck cabin, providing drivers with a reliable and convenient navigation solution. The Rand McNally TND 750 apart is its custom truck routing capabilities. Powered by advanced algorithms and real-time data, this GPS navigator takes into account crucial factors such as truck dimensions, weight restrictions, and bridge heights to generate optimized routes tailored to the specific needs of truck drivers. By avoiding low-clearance areas, narrow roads, and hazardous routes, the TND 750 ensures safer and more efficient journeys, saving drivers time and money. The device also includes an advanced search function, enabling users to find specific points based on criteria such as distance, category, and amenities. Number 4. Rand McNally TND 1050 10-inch GPS Truck Navigator. The Rand McNally TND 1050 boasts a spacious 10-inch display that offers exceptional clarity and visibility. The easy-to-read screen allows truck drivers to quickly absorb critical information at a glance, minimizing distractions and ensuring a safer driving experience. With its responsive touch interface and intuitive controls, the TND 1050 delivers a user-friendly navigation system that simplifies route planning and execution. This comes with a removable guard, adding an extra layer of protection to the device. This guard helps shield the navigator from accidental bumps, falls, and other minor mishaps that can occur in the truck cabin. With the removable guard, truck drivers can confidently rely on the durability and longevity of the TND 1050, knowing that it is well protected even in demanding and unpredictable environments. Number 5. Garmin Easy to Read 6-inch GPS Truck Navigator. The Garmin Navigator boasts a spacious and vibrant 6-inch display that ensures optimal readability, even in varying lighting conditions. The large screen allows truck drivers to view essential information at a glance, minimizing distractions and enhancing safety. Its intuitive touchscreen interface and offers a user-friendly experience, enabling drivers to easily input destinations, navigate menus, and access critical features. One of the standout features of the Garmin DZLOTR 610 is its custom truck routing capabilities. This advanced functionality takes into account truck-specific attributes, including dimensions, weight, and load restrictions, to generate routes tailored to the unique requirements of commercial vehicles. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.